Hello everyone and welcome back. Before we start, please remember to subscribe to English and IELTS Mastery Hub. Today we're diving into some fantastic British slang. I'm joined by Avery. Ready to learn?
Absolutely. I'm excited to sound a bit more British.
Brilliant. Let's start with this one. Bob's your uncle.
Bob's my uncle? What does that mean? I don't have an uncle named Bob.
It's a way of saying, and there you have it. It's that simple. For example, you just turn left, then right, and Bob's your uncle. You're there.
Ah, I see. Okay, let me try. Bob's my uncle.
Perfect. Next up, cheers.
Oh, I think I know this. It means thank you, right?
Exactly. It's a very common, friendly way to say thanks. You can also use it for a toast.
Got it. Cheers.
Lovely. How about chinwag?
Chinwag? What's that?
It means a good, long chat. You might say, I had a great chinwag with my friend last night.
A chinwag. I like that.
Right. Next one, chuff.
Chuffed? How do you spell that?
Chuffed. It means you're very pleased or happy about something. I was so chuffed to pass my exam.
I'd be chuffed too. Okay, chuffed.
Excellent. Now for dodgy. Dodgy? It describes something that is suspicious, unreliable, or not quite right. That car looks a bit dodgy.
Dodgy. Got it.
Here's a fun one, gobsmacked.
Wow, that sounds intense. What does it mean?
It means to be completely amazed or astonished, so surprised you can't speak. I was gobsmacked when I heard the news.
Gobsmacked. I love it.
Now for a sadder one, gutted.
Gutted?
It means to be bitterly disappointed or devastated. He was absolutely gutted when his team lost.
Oh, I see. Gutted.
How about this phrase? It's all gone pear-shaped.
Gone pear-shaped? That's a strange image. What does it mean?
It means a plan or situation has gone terribly wrong. We tried to bake a cake, but it's all gone pear-shaped.
Okay, it's all gone pear-shaped.
Spot on. Next is knackered.
Knackered.
It means extremely tired or exhausted. I'm absolutely knackered after that long run.
I feel that way sometimes. Knackered.
Moving on, lost the plot.
What does it mean to lose the plot?
It means someone has become angry, irrational, or is acting a bit crazy. He started shouting for no reason. He's completely lost the plot.
Yikes, lost the plot.
Good. Next is minging.
Minging.
It's a slang term for something that is disgusting, foul, or very unpleasant. Don't eat that. It smells minging.
Minging. I'll remember that.
Here's another one, nutter.
A nutter? Is that an insult?
It can be, but it's often used affectionately for someone who's a bit crazy or eccentric. My brother is a complete nutter, but he's hilarious.
Okay, so it depends on the context. Nutter.
Precisely. Now for an old-fashioned one, pip-pip.
Pip-pip? That sounds like something from a movie.
It is. It's a very cheerful, slightly posh old way of saying goodbye.
I'll try to use that. Pip-pip.
Jolly good. How about poppycock?
Poppycock?
Another slightly old-fashioned one. It means nonsense or rubbish. If someone's telling a story you don't believe, you might say, that's a load of poppycock.
Poppycock. It's fun to say.
It is. Two more. Taking the mickey.
Taking the mickey? Does it mean stealing?
Not at all. It means to tease someone or make fun of them, but usually in a light-hearted, playful way. Don't be upset. I was only taking the mickey.
Oh, okay. Taking the mickey.
Last one, and it's a lovely one. The bee's knees.
The bee's knees. That's another odd one.
It just means something is excellent or of the highest quality. This new phone is the bee's knees.
The bee's knees. Fantastic.
You've done wonderfully, Avery. That's all for today. Thanks for listening.
And don't forget to subscribe to English and IELTS Mastery Hub.